In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your foreign bank card on Alipay. This process is straightforward and will allow you to make purchases while traveling or living in China. Alipay is a widely accepted payment platform, and linking your foreign bank card opens up many opportunities for seamless transactions. Let's dive into the steps to get started. First, open the Alipay app and sign in using your phone number. On the screen, you'll see a prompt for your phone number. Enter it carefully, as accuracy is key. After entering your number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Input that code to complete the sign-in process. This step ensures that your account is secure and linked to your personal information. Once signed in, you will be greeted by the main interface, which is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Next, tap Me in the bottom right corner of the screen. This section is your personal account area, where you can manage settings and view your information. Selecting this option takes you to a menu that includes various features related to your account. From here, you can see your current balance, transaction history, and more. This is a crucial step as it directs you to the section where you can manage your bank cards. Being familiar with this area helps you quickly access important features later on. Now, select bank cards from the options available. On the bank cards page, you will find information about any existing cards linked to your account. This is where you can add a new card to facilitate payments. This step is vital because linking your card allows you to make purchases without needing cash. You will feel more confident knowing you have multiple payment options available. Next, tap Plus Add Card. This action initiates the process of linking your foreign bank card. You will see options to either enter your card number manually or scan the card. Choosing to scan is often faster and reduces the chance of errors. Just hold your card up to your device's camera and the information will be captured automatically. This feature saves time and ensures accuracy, so you can proceed with your transactions smoothly. After entering your card number or scanning it, complete identity verification if prompted. This verification typically involves using your passport and taking a selfie. The app will guide you through this process, ensuring that you meet the necessary security measures. This step is crucial for protecting your account and personal information. Once completed, you can feel reassured that your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Now, confirm the card using your bank's security process. This might include receiving a one-time password or going through 3D secure verification. Follow the prompts from your bank to finalize this step. This security process is essential to prevent unauthorized use of your card. It adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that only you can authorize transactions. Once your card is linked, you can pay in two ways. First, you can tap Pay and show your QR code for the merchant to scan. This method is quick and efficient, allowing for instantaneous transactions. Merchants will appreciate the speed of this payment method, making your shopping experience smoother. Alternatively, tap Scan to scan the merchant's QR code and enter the payment amount. This option is handy when you're at markets or restaurants where QR codes are commonly displayed. Keep these limitations in mind. Foreign cards mainly work for purchases from merchants in China, like restaurants, taxis, and stores. This means that while you can make purchases easily, some services may still require cash. You generally cannot top up your Alipay balance directly with a foreign card. Instead, Alipay charges your linked card when you pay. This is important to understand as it affects how you manage your transactions. Lastly, some payments may fail if your bank blocks overseas or online transactions. Make sure international payments and 3D Secure are enabled with your bank. Alipay may charge a 3% fee on transactions above 200 yen, although some card networks are exempt. Being aware of these fees and limitations will help you avoid surprises during your transactions. Now you are ready to enjoy using your foreign bank card with Alipay.